So today, I want you to make this right here. This is a Korean style barbecue. But what we got here is some beef ribs flanken cut with a Hawaiian pasta salad. Kind of give it a little bit of sweetness to it. Look at that. You're gonna love it. So let's get it prepping so we can get it cooking. Come on. As you can see, we got beef short ribs been cut across the bones, kind of with give us the flanken cut. We're gonna marinate them up. And the marinade we got is pretty simple. We're gonna add in a half cup of soy sauce. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of a rice wine. I got 1 tablespoon here of sesame oil. Now I'm gonna come in here and give me good 2 or 3 pinches of kosher salt. Just come in here about a good tablespoon. And 1 pinch of black pepper, which would be about a 1/4 tablespoon. So now I add in my green onions. There's 3 green onions chopped up finely. I'm gonna add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now I've got about 2 inches of ginger that I finely chopped up. Now I got 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped up. And I got right about a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Then I got 1 yellow onion chopped up finely. So now while I've got this, I'm gonna take it and shake it up real good. Mix it up really well. Then I'm gonna take it and start dropping my beef ribs. One at a time and kind of roll it around. We're gonna let this go in the refrigerator for about 12 hours. Grill this bad boy up, it'll be delicious. So my beef ribs, we had them marinate in the refrigerator. For that marinade we done, we kept rotating over and over. Now I'm gonna take them out, we're gonna season them up, and then we'll put them on the grill and grill them up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Rec Tex, this Asian Persuasion right here. Add a little bit of this to it. Kind of give it a little more flavor to it right now. But the marinates will get into it pretty good. But this add a little more of that salt flavor to it. All right, let's go put them on the grill. Come on. Keep moving around. Don't want to kind of overcook anything. It's going to be done medium to done that you're looking for. What we got? We put them in the pan, carry them inside. All right, so we just brought the ribs inside. We're gonna let them rest just a few minutes. I don't want to rest a long time, but I do want to rest just a little bit. While we're doing that, we're gonna kind of make a pasta salad. This is kind of a Hawaiian style pasta salad. I got some pasta here we cooked up. Got about a cup of mayonnaise right here. I add about a good tablespoon of sugar to it. I'll mix it up. Kind of give me a Hawaiian style pasta we're going for. A little bit of a sweetness for this Korean style barbecue ribs. In that, I'm gonna add in about half of my onions, about 2 carrots shredded up. Mix this up pretty good. I'm gonna add in some milk, but I'll add it in as I need to get the moisture that I'm looking for. I don't want this to be soupy. When the pasta gets in here, it's gonna soak it up, but I do wanna have a little bit of a texture to it. Add in a pinch of salt, which is about a teaspoon. I add my pasta, add some to it. Now we cook the pasta and then run some cool water to cool it off a little bit. So I'm gonna mix it in. Kind of make a pasta salad, which I am making a pasta salad. If you look to it now, it's kind of like it's got too much. That's why we're gonna add some more pasta to it. It's too soupy. A little more at a time. Now we use Duke's mayonnaise for this. You can use whatever you want to. I just like the flavor of Duke's mayonnaise. Yeah, I don't think I need no more milk, y'all. I think it's pretty good like it is. So on my plate, I'll add a little bit of my pasta salad to it. Then we'll take some beef ribs and put it right on top of it. A couple of onions to it. A little bit of sesame seeds. And that there is what you have. Look at that. Don't it look good? All right, so we got the pasta salad made. We let the meat rest a little while. We don't rest too long. Let's taste it. Piece right here on top. Cut it. See a little bit of redness from the grill marks into it. It pulls apart pretty good. Ain't too tough. A little bit of pull to it. Let's taste it. See what it tastes like. You ready? I'm ready. Oh, brother. Tell you what, that's absolutely phenomenal. It's got a little chew to it, but it's not tough. It's really tender. It just chews a little bit because of the fat into it. Get a beef rib flavor into it. Got that Korean style barbecue flavor to it. Man, I tell you what, this right here is spot on. Let's try a piece with the pasta salad. Cheers. The flavor just jumps out at you. It's got a good little chew to it. It's absolutely phenomenal. Awesome flavor to it. I'll tell you right now, boys and girls, it's a very simple recipe. It marinated in there. It's something you can kind of meal prep for it. Make sure you try this recipe out. Let me know what you think about it. Leave a comment down below. But I'm gonna go inside and eat. But first, I'm gonna say the blessing. But first, we gotta let Miss Dolly and Lucy try it. Lucy. Dolly. I got my finger. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you will too. I'll say the blessing. Lord, bless food about receiving. Just name and pray. Amen. Appreciate y'all watching. Give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. See you next time. This is delicious.